Yay! Okay, I know I look a bit crusty and all, but who cares? Who cares? Anyway, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, I know I went MIA. I'm really sorry. Anyway, I'm back. So today I want to take you guys with me. I'm going for shopping in EASTLEIGH. I'm going to get what they call curtains. So hopefully I'll be able to vlog. Hopefully, but yes, that's it. Yeah, come along with me and let's see how it goes. Yay! Okay, I know I look a bit crusty and all, but who cares? Who cares? Anyway, let's go. Let's go to EASTLEIGH. EASTLEIGh. Anyway, yeah. Oh my God, how many times do I have to say EASTLEIGh, or how many times do I have to say anyway? Bye.
Ingia ndani ujionee hapa Bangkok Building, EASTLEIGH salon. Hapa pana kunaweza kwa
hii ni latest ndio wanakuambia. Unataka kala?
Yenye kama grey lakini hata yangu ishapot. Oh. Hii pia inakaa vizuri.
Mimi upende ile kati. Ile kati niona mtaki kuruhusia.
Kabisa. Gani hiyo? Hii wanakuzia how much? Hii mnauza how much? Bei ya kawaida?
Bei ya kawaida? Waambia
850. Nice. 850 Martha.
Uliniua roho. Wana alimu uliniua roho.
barabara leo.
Nice.
Na ningeweka deposit leo ningemaliza. Wakati unachukua pia nini? Hiyo biashara nimemaliza hiyo fikiri tuko hapo. Hapo lakini ukate
Hi guys, so sorry yesterday I know I didn't vlog much when going to buy the curtains, but anyway I'll insert the clips that I took. So for today, just got home and I know I look crusty, but still, anyway, I have to put up the curtains. Yes. So I'll show you guys as I put on the put up the curtains. Yeah, nothing much. I know I look crusty. My hair looks so bad. Today I don't have makeup on. Today I've been running errands. That's why I look like this. I know I look like a totally different person. But anyway, it is what it is. So let's get into it right now. Yes, finally. See, this is the outcome. But I don't like that look over there. I don't. I'll work on it during the weekend. Yeah. For now, this is how it looks. But I've noticed I'll have to take them back to the tailor because they're a bit extra at the floor. I want them kissing the floor, not too extra as they look right now. Can you see? But yes, that look, I have to deal with it this coming weekend. Probably I'll have to deal with it. I'll have to go get the wall filler, fill it up there, and then from there I can just paint it up. Yeah, but I love this. I love this. It looks so nice. Looks so nice. And the quality, guys. Anyway, let me now go put the bedroom one. This is really nice. Look at the quality. Really nice. Anyway, let me go to the bedroom one and then I'll see you guys once I'm done. This is the final look. This is the bedroom color. What the hell am I even saying? Like, what the hell? Anyway, this is the final look. As I've told you guys, this, oh my god, it's really, if I could rectify it right now, I'll do that, but for now it's just eating me up. But this is it. This is it. This is my color. Yeah. Yes. I went for purple. Apparently purple is my favorite color since primary school. Yes, so that's it. See how it looks, and it's tall. It's extra long. So focus. Yeah, doesn't it look good? And it blends very well with the color. Ooh, I'm so in love. I'm so in love. See, so in love. Ooh, your girl is in love. And then my color is purple also. Yes.